Greetings everyone, finally your favorite game show is once again back on track with more thrilling mathematical activities, and to spice things up, we're here with different players from the crowd to play. Before we start, I'd like to explain the mechanics of this game. Players will be divided into two groups, the white team and the blue team. Each group or player will be given a topic to explain and answer questions given by the quiz master, Cassie Maninas. It's pretty much just like a debate too, but with a spice. Let me pass the mic to our beginning quiz master, Cassie Maninas, to also introduce the charming genius members for today's game. Cassie, the stage is all yours.
Hello everyone, the Quizmaster speaking. I am here to introduce each player. Let me start off the blue team. Here we have Samantha Haraji, Denzel Ocampo, and Madison Angkiko. Now it's time for the white team. In this group, we have Carl Reyes, Cleona Santo Domingo, and last but not the least, Gabriela Luis. Each player looks fired up already. Let's start, shall we?
Before you all start, let me remind that the topic we'll be talking about in here are mostly about polynomials, each type, and why it's important for us to learn. Let's start.
What is the degree of the polynomial 2 times 9 plus 7 times 3 plus 191? Yes, Denzel.
The answer is 2 times 9.
Got it right. A point for a blue team. Next question. There are many right answers to these questions. What is an example of the third degree polynomial? Yes, Carl?
Any polynomial whose highest degree term is x3. Examples are 5x3 and negative x3, plus 2x2 minus 1.
Right. A point for a white team. Now we're going to proceed to the next question. What is an example of the fifth degree polynomial with exactly 3 terms? Yes, Madison?
An example is 2x to the 5th power minus 2x to the 2nd power minus 10x.
Correct. A point to blue team. Next question. What is an example of the fourth degree polynomial with exactly 4 terms? Yes, Sam?
An example is negative x4 minus x3 plus 3x plus 2.
A point for blue team again. So, as far of our game, blue team is a heading. Alright, next question. What is the largest number of real roots that 7th degree polynomial could have? What is the smallest? Yes, Cleona?
A 7th degree polynomial has at least 1 or at most 7 real roots.
Please explain it.
A polynomial that has 1 degree is called a linear polynomial. Degree of the polynomial 7x raised to the 5 plus 8x squared minus 5x plus 3.
You got it right. A point for a white team. Next question is, what is the degree of a zero polynomial? Yes, Gab?
Is not defined.
Correct. Next question. It is an algebraic expression involving only non-negative integer power of 1 or more variables. Yes, Denzel?
The correct answer is polynomial.
You got it right. 1 point for your team again. Now let's proceed with another question. Is 1 a polynomial? Yes, Gab?
Answer is true.
Yes, it is. Okay, so I guess we have a tie, so we are going to do a tiebreaker question and see who wins. Okay, so the question, why polynomial is so important to our lives? Yes, Sam?
Polynomial is an equation consisting the sum of 1 or more terms. Learning polynomials is important. Why? Because it helps our brain, well, not just our brain. It helps many people to solve and expand their knowledge about different terms and solving terms, which makes it easier for them to solve this. Polynomials can also be applied in engineering and many more, since it is used in building objects, drawing graphs, curves, roller coasters, bridges, and many more things that we see in our daily lives.
Brilliant! That's the answer. So the winner of our game is the blue team. Congratulations, blue team.
If I could begin to be half of what you think of me, I could do about anything.